Today, there were sightings of Cybertrucks undergoing road tests, accompanied by Starlink mobility equipment. During an interview with Jay Leno, a significant increase in semi-truck production by Tesla was revealed. These sightings showed not only the Cybertrucks, but also notable visual upgrades, including a new graffiti logo and the presence of a Starlink mobility antenna. These visual advancements are getting Tesla enthusiasts excited, especially at the prospect of a solid, mobile internet connection in the Cybertrucks. The idea of having access to high download and upload speeds while moving, without relying on proximity to cell towers, opens up innovative possibilities in areas such as surveying and search and rescue efforts. The price of these Starlink mobility services may be a factor, varying depending on data packages. However, the advantage of network priority for customers, even during peak usage, may make the investment more attractive for some users. The combination of updated aesthetics and advanced functionality in Cybertrucks is generating considerable expectations surrounding the revolutionary potential of these vehicles. Cybertrucks are gaining attention due to recent sightings that have revealed interesting upgrades. These vehicles, in addition to displaying a new graffiti logo, are attracting attention by featuring a Starlink mobility antenna. This addition is an intriguing revelation, hinting at the possibility of high-speed internet access on the go thanks to the Starlink mobility service. The truck's renewed aesthetic, keeping the stainless steel body visible, along with the splash of color from the graffiti logo, stands out. However, it is the inclusion of the Starlink antenna that opens up surprising possibilities for different fields of application. Imagine a surveyor in remote areas, collecting data in the field and instantly sending information for analysis, or search and rescue teams using this technology in remote locations. Despite the initial price of Starlink mobility services, with different packages to meet usage needs, the possibility of having a stable and fast connection in remote areas is tempting for many. The prospect of a functional internet even in locations far from traditional cellular networks promises to revolutionize the way we view connectivity on the move. Starlink-equipped Cybertrucks are generating excitement as this technology has the potential to become a true game-changer in various scenarios. This new development in Cybertrucks not only highlights the potential for professional use, such as in surveying and search and rescue operations, but also highlights the ability of these vehicles to become connectivity hubs in remote locations. The Starlink mobility service, with its impressive download and upload speeds, opens doors to a diverse range of applications, going beyond the commercial context. Thinking about the future of these Starlink-equipped trucks raises questions about how this technology could be a game-changer in emergency situations, facilitating communication in isolated regions during natural disasters or in areas where communications infrastructure is scarce. Despite the costs of different service packages, the fact that Starlink mobility customers have priority on the network, even in times of high demand, adds value to this offer. This means that even in congested areas where network capacity is tested to the maximum, users of these equipped trucks can count on stable connectivity. The idea of Cybertrucks functioning as mobile connectivity hubs, serving diverse needs in remote locations, is truly exciting. The potential for transformation that this technology brings opens doors to innovations and uses that until then seemed distant. It's a glimpse of a future where connectivity is truly ubiquitous, regardless of location or conditions, thanks to the evolution of vehicles and communication networks. The Starlink mobility service is gaining prominence due to its integration into Cybertrucks, offering impressive connection speeds on the move. With download capabilities of up to 220 MB per second and upload speeds of 25 megabytes per second, this service holds true promise for connectivity in remote areas. Although the packages have different prices, varying according to data needs, the advantage of priority on the network for customers is an attractive point. This means that even in times of high demand, users can count on a stable and efficient connection, something crucial for professionals who operate in remote locations and depend on a solid connection to perform their tasks. The idea of having access to such powerful and reliable internet on the move is tempting, especially for sectors such as surveying, rescue operations, and other activities that require communication and data transfer in challenging environments. The potential to use this service to send information in real time while in the field, without the need to return to the office, represents a significant advance in terms of efficiency and practicality. Despite the initial costs, for many professionals who rely on connectivity in remote areas, the ability to access high-speed internet is a valuable investment. Starlink mobility not only offers speeds comparable to home connections, but also opens doors to a new era of mobile connectivity in previously challenging areas. This technology has the potential to become a catalyst for significant advances across different industries, driving efficiency and communication in remote locations. In addition to the commercial potential, the Starlink mobility service also raises prospects for usefulness in emergency situations and humanitarian aid. Imagine rescue teams or first responders in remote areas where connectivity is often a challenge. With this technology, they could establish vital communications, send data and coordinate operations in real time, regardless of location. While costs may be a deterrent for some, especially for the more robust packages, it is important to consider the advantage of network priority. In environments where connectivity is scarce and valuable, having this guarantee of stable access can justify the associated costs. The evolution of Starlink mobility not only promises to meet current demands for mobile connectivity in remote locations, but also hints at a future where connectivity will be increasingly independent of fixed infrastructures. This change could revolutionize the way we approach fieldwork, operations in remote areas, and even the way we respond to emergencies. The Starlink mobility service, built into Cybertrucks, represents a new frontier of mobile connectivity. Its transformation potential is not just limited to the technical aspect, but also brings with it possibilities for significant advances in several areas, boosting efficiency, communication, and response in critical situations. In the recent interview with Jay Leno, Tesla executives offered intriguing insights into the company's new Class 8 tractor. This conversation revealed fascinating details about the design and functionality of these vehicles, generating even more expectations surrounding the launch. Executives emphasized the power of the vehicle's powertrain, highlighting its traction capacity and the efficiency of regenerative braking. These attributes were evidenced by the tractor's remarkable performance in the recent race in the electricity-less transportation study. The ability to extend the battery charge while the vehicle is in motion is one of the highlights of this new design, along with the ability to quickly recover energy, recharging the battery to 70% in less than half an hour. The interview focused not only on the technical aspects, but also on the design philosophy behind the tractor. Safety was a highlighted priority, as was careful consideration for aerodynamics, a crucial element of energy efficiency. When addressing future plans, Tesla's intention to launch a long-haul version of the tractor was mentioned, including the creation of a sleeping area. This represents a significant change, as semis are currently built with a day cab design, intended to make deliveries and return at the end of the day. Another interesting point was the mention of the price, which was not specifically revealed. The emphasis was on keeping the vehicle competitive against diesel variants while offering operating cost savings like an electric vehicle. Tesla appears to be aware of market needs and is exploring ways to make its tractor not only energy efficient but also cost attractive to potential customers. These revelations about Tesla's new Class 8 tractor have generated excitement and speculation about its capabilities and impact on the trucking market. It is clear that Tesla is dedicated to innovating not only in electric vehicle technology, but also in the practical application of these innovations to meet the demands of the transportation market. Tesla's strategy to conquer the road transport market was the central focus of the interview with company executives on Jay Leno's program. They highlighted the importance of not only convincing big companies about switching to electric vehicles, but also winning over truck drivers themselves by offering a vehicle that genuinely meets their needs. Executives highlighted how traditional trucks often sacrifice driver comfort due to the space taken up by engines. Tesla, in turn, designed the Class 8 tractor focusing on driver comfort, transforming the vehicle into a true office on wheels. Details such as easy accessibility when entering and exiting the truck, with strategically placed handles and storage, show the careful consideration given to ergonomics and driver safety. It is known that truck drivers are resistant to change, as they know their needs well and are demanding with any innovation that affects their routine. Tesla's approach, based on research into the real needs of road professionals, is smart. By designing a vehicle around what makes truck drivers' jobs easier and more comfortable, Tesla can earn the trust of these professionals. Tesla appears to be in tune with the market, planning to not only offer a cost-competitive electric vehicle, but also exploring options such as long-haul versions that meet continuous transportation needs. The idea of an integrated sleeping area in the vehicle also represents a significant change in the current concept of day cab tractors. The approach focused on truck drivers' needs and the prioritization of comfort and practicality in vehicle design are indications that Tesla not only seeks to revolutionize the road transport market, but is also committed to providing solutions that are truly accepted and valued by professionals of the sector. The topic of Tesla's lithium refinery has been highlighted recently, bringing exciting information about its potential impact and operating timeline. During an interview, a senior operations manager at the refinery in Corpus Christi, Texas, revealed that operations are expected to begin on the first day of 2024. This refinery, the first of its kind in North America, will adopt an acid-free refining method, promising a cleaner and safer working environment. Furthermore, the byproducts of the process can be used in various applications, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. The refinery is expected to create jobs, with projections of around 1,000 initial jobs and more than 250 full-time positions. Hiring is already underway, and there are signs of expansion plans, suggesting the site could grow considerably. Tesla's initiative to invest in a lithium refinery shows the strategic importance of this resource for the manufacture of batteries for electric vehicles. Lithium is a vital component in batteries, and having an internal source of refinement can help the company meet its needs without relying exclusively on external suppliers. The fact that Tesla is already planning donations to improve roads near the refinery shows the company's commitment to collaborating with the local community and mitigating the impact of increased traffic. This Tesla venture not only promises to positively impact the production of electric vehicles, but is also an example of the company's ongoing commitment to innovation, sustainability, and the search for internal solutions to the demands of its production chain. These topics offer exciting glimpses into the future of electric vehicles and mobile connectivity. From the innovations in Cybertrucks with the integration of the Starlink mobility service to the details revealed about Tesla's new Class 8 tractor, it's clear that the company is committed to revolutionizing not only vehicle technology, but also user experiences and market demands. Furthermore, Tesla's foray into lithium production with a high-tech refinery not only highlights its quest for autonomy and sustainability in its production chain, but also highlights the strategic importance of this resource for the electric vehicle industry. All of this information indicates a company focused on continuous innovation, adapting to market needs and driving significant advances in both mobility and clean energy production. Tesla's trajectory, marked by bold initiatives and strategic investments, promises an exciting and revolutionary future for the automotive and technology industry as a whole.